In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a chat overlay on Streamlabs Mobile. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Streamlabs Mobile like you normally would, and it all comes down to creating a brand new scene. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top left and press on these three bars. Now once you're over here, you want to select on scenes. Then you want to press on create a new scene just like so, and you're able to start from a blank canvas, or you could use a pre-existing template. And I actually like using the pre-existing template because they do have a bunch of stuff for you. For example, we have like an alert box and a chat box over here, which is going to show your chat. So let's go ahead and go with this one. I actually really like it. It's simple and stuff like that. So over here, we got the camera source in the background. We got the chat box. This is where your chat's going to be. You can make it bigger, and the alert, and that's going to appear if like someone donates to you and stuff like that, or gives you a tip, which is really good. And it's something you're also able to set up. I'm going to be making a separate guide for that relatively soon, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and select on save right here. All right, and now we have our scene right over here, and we can go ahead and select on it. And now whenever we go live, that is going to include a chat box over on to our actual stream, which you absolutely love to see. And thankfully, Streamlabs does make it relatively simple and straightforward. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.